Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, the grand experiment. This is the IVE 3254. Now, I got this in a box of parts about a year ago. Just the body and the frame. No motor. So I put a Marx 400 double reduction motor in it. And this motor was bad when I got it. And I had performed a bypass on it, so it ran forward only. So I figured this would be an excellent choice to try out the new toggle switch. It already had a spot to mount it, as there used to be a switch on the original engine, and left a huge slot right there. So I've just got this pretty much finger tight for now. But we have reverse, neutral, and forward. So I'm going to put it in neutral and turn on the power. And as you see, the lights come on and nothing happens. There's no sound at all from the motor. So we're supplying power only to the lights. So turn off the power, flip the switch to forward, and we run forward. Flip it to reverse, and we run backwards. As far as I know, this has never been done before, as far as having a mechanical selector on a Marx motor for forward, neutral, and reverse. And so in the neutral position, you can leave the consist on the rail with the power on and just have it sitting there in neutral. It works absolutely perfectly. And like I said, in this position we're supplying power only to the lights. Nothing is going to the coil. And then forward and reverse. It works absolutely perfectly. It's really simple to do it. It takes 4 wires, and this was the very first engine that I've installed this switch in. Like I said, this seemed like an appropriate choice. It only ran forward. It already had a slot that I could use to mount that switch. So, an experiment that worked. It took a lot of trial and error to figure out how to wire this switch. And again, it's just a micro double pole, double throw toggle switch. It's really simple to do it. 4 wires, attaches directly to the motor, and you have an instant selector for forward, neutral, and reverse. It's cheap, costs less than $3 to do this. And of course you can tear the motor apart and repair the E unit. If you don't want to do that, you can simply modify the motor with a switch. And it works. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.